from California. I've always been crazy about technology and design.
My name is Nathan. I'm an electronics engineer from Taiwan, and I love intellectual challenges.
We co-founded Quantao with a dream that we could use technology and design to connect people. We have helped our customers start their businesses with creative and competitive products.
The mini car is only 2 inches long, uses Bluetooth 4.1, has a 15-meter range, comes in 3 different designs, and has 3 different sensor packages.
I looked all over for a very small, very precise model car, and I found a few high-grade models in Germany and Japan, but for a very high price. Even then, we found that playability was limited by the available controls. As we developed a micro Bluetooth module for our customers, we realized the answer was right in front of us. Bluetooth 4.1 gives us long range, uses low power, and has nearly unlimited inputs and outputs.
Matchbox cars are the most important memories for many kids. Even after we grow up, many of us still look in the shop window, lusting after Ferrari or Lamborghini. But our mini car is the only packable, interactive model car.
This is a great gift for your friends or for yourself. Please support our vision so we can bring more sophisticated technology to micro-scale models. Thank you.